Welcome to Practical AWS Networking by Mitesh Soni, a course by Pact Publishing. I'm Helen Lloyd, and I will be the presenter of this course. In this course, you will get an overview of all networking services available in AWS. Mitesh Soni is a DevOps enthusiast. He's worked on projects for DevOps enablement using Microsoft Azure and VSTS. He also has experience of working with other tools that are DevOps enablers, such as Jenkins, Chef, IBM, Urban Code Deploy, Atlassian Bamboo, and more. He is a CSM, SCJP, SCWCD, VCP, IBM Bluemix, and IBM Urban Code certified professional. Let's look at the overview of the course. The first section, Basics of Networking on AWS, provides an overview of AWS and its networking services to get started quickly and gives you an idea about key services and concepts. After that, the section Amazon VPC explains Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon VPC, and all its components. We will see how to provision a logically isolated section of the Amazon Web Services Cloud, AWS. The next section teaches you how elastic load balancing automatically distributes incoming application traffic across multiple Amazon EC2 instances in the cloud to achieve higher levels of fault tolerance in the application. Moving further, we will discuss auto-scaling, which focuses on how to configure instances in the VPC for auto-scaling, considering what and how to configure to make an application highly available. Post that, the section Amazon Route 53 discusses using Amazon Route 53 for domain names, routing traffic to the resources for the domain, and monitoring the health of resources. The next section, AWS Direct Connect, outlines AWS Direct Connect, which makes it easy to establish a dedicated network connection from your premises to AWS. The final section, Security Best Practices, explores various ways to secure resources in AWS using different options available, such as by using IAM security groups and other methods. A step-by-step practical guide that helps you use all networking services available in AWS effectively. So let's begin this journey together, and I hope to see you there.